What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I'm inside of Home Depot right now, checking out some ideas for the HogOn Cafe. You know, I want my counter for my coffee thing, and I'm trying to figure out how I want to do it. This one is actually a little too long. I'm gonna have to go with something a little shorter. This is 36. I got to do some measurements. I wrote them down, but I left my tablet in the truck, so I'm about to get ready to run out there. And I see also here they have some ones that you can paint. So they have them pre-done. Those actually for the wall, but these are for the floor here. So I like that size. I think that's the size I'm gonna have to go with how wide it is. So I'm gonna go check my measurements real quick, but they got a few cool ones in here right now that we can actually pick from. And I was checking out some cool countertops because they got some cool ones, something to kind of match the floor. You know, this one right here is dope. I like this one. I actually like this color. That's for us to kind of the top on top of it to put the coffee and stand, because I'm just gonna have a couple drawers in the top where I can have the coffee maker and all that stuff set up on top of it. So, but I like this look, but I'm not going with no cabinets on the wall like that, due to me having the AC in that corner, unless I scoot it over and do it sideways and then put something on the wall, which I might do that. Who knows? I'm just working out some ideas right now, keeping it cost efficient, trying to figure out what direction I'm gonna go. Hold on.